Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a really quick reading on the energy surrounding the Super Bowl. Um, so I'm going to pull three cards. The first card is going to represent the Chiefs' energy, or advantage. The second card will represent the Eagles' energy or advantage, and the third card will represent the outcome or overarching influence of the game. Okay, just gonna shuffle. This time I'm not gonna go through a whole lengthy shuffle and wait for cards to fly out. I'm just gonna pull some cards. I'm gonna shuffle the cards and then pull some out because I want this to be a quick reading. Um, I just was kind of called to do it, and so I'm gonna do it. Okay. All right. So first card is Knight of Swords. That's the Chief's energy or advantage. Second card is the Eagles energy or advantage, and that is the Four of Cups. And third card is the Eight of Cups, walking away. Um, what I'm getting from this is the energy for the Chiefs. It looks good to me for the Chiefs. Knight of Swords coming in swift, coming in hard, and coming in fast. So this is telling me that the Chiefs are going to put their all into this game to make sure they win. They already won several Super Bowls from what I understand. So they're like really going in. They're gonna go in for this because they they want to, they want to be the dominant team. So yeah, the Chiefs' energy is like they're gonna be coming in with the swiftness and they're gonna be kicking some butt. So um yeah, they're gonna be coming in hard. They may be a little disrespectful during this game too. Like they're gonna be showing their ass, basically. So this is the Four Cups is the Eagles' energy, and what I'm getting from this is it's like they got it, but they don't want it. Like it's like they don't have the opportunity to put their best foot forward, but there's gonna be some lacking somewhere. Like something is lacking with the Eagles. I don't know if it's that they don't understand the it's like almost like they're giving the Chiefs. They're gonna be giving the Chiefs this game for some reason. I don't know why. Like they're not gonna be really putting their all into it. Um, they're gonna be focusing on the wrong thing for some reason. And it's kind of like I don't know why I'm getting like they just don't want to be like they're not or somebody on the team just don't want to be in this battle right now. Somebody on this team don't want to be in the on the Eagles don't want to be in the battle, but it's like they have the opportunity to win, but they're not taking the opportunity to win. I don't know if this means that they're gonna have several chances where like they could have got the ball or they could have made like a I don't even know football terminology, even though but like they could have made a certain run or something. I don't know. But they like they're not putting their all into this. They're not looking at their opportunities to win during the game. Meanwhile, the Chiefs are going to be coming in hard. So Somebody's gonna be walking away from this. Someone's walking away from this. It's almost like I feel like this is the Eagles. They're walking away from this feeling defeated. And yeah. Or they're not even really feeling defeated. It's kind of like, you know what, we walking away from this one. It's kind of like it's almost like they feel like the Chiefs already got it for some reason. It's like I don't want to say like it's rigged for the Chiefs to win, but they kind of feel like everything is pointing towards them to win. They don't even really want to put their all into it because they already feel like they're gonna win. Um, they just it's like they're gonna like withdraw from the game kind of at some point. The Chiefs must be they're probably gonna go in hard on them. Like they're gonna go hard, and it's just gonna make them feel like they don't even want to be anymore. I don't know. That's what I'm getting. But so this was the reading. Chiefs coming in hard. Eagles not really interested in this whole thing. After a while, maybe what's gonna happen is there's gonna be like some like favor for the Chiefs. Like the referees are gonna be calling I don't know, fouls, I guess. Ugh, on the Eagles when there wasn't really a foul or like they just don't feel like they don't have a fair chance, so they basically gonna give up and walk away from this disappointed and just kind of like withdraw. Probably like towards the end, they're gonna feel like, you know what, that's it. Like they're not gonna put their all into it. They just really are gonna walk away from this feeling some kind of way. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the reading. That's what I'm getting right now. Chiefs coming in hard, Eagles disinterested in this whole scenario, and Chiefs. I'm sorry, Eagles disinterested in the whole scenario, and the Eagles walking away disappointed and kind of withdrawing. Thank you for watching.